Hello viewers, narrator is here again. If you have not watched the first one, the first three, please watch it and don't forget to subscribe. We are continuing with the decision support system for teachers who are teaching in South Africa. We managed to do this and also the mark sheet. Today we are going to learn how to create the statistics, which is the same as the analysis. So I'm going to show you an example. So we are going to do something like this, where if for instance I type 1, I will have the marks, the assignment, the marks, the term all displayed here. If I type 2, you see that the assignment has changed to investigation. The marks is what? 75. What's the source of this? Where does it come from? Where do we get it? We get it from the type, where you type. So for instance, if I type 3, see what I'm going to get. If I type 3 here, see that I'm having test term 1. Where do I have it? Here. Assuming I change this one to only let's say test, against my life, it will automatically change. And the max is what? 110. The max is 110. We got it from here. If for instance I change it to 100, it's going to change. Now if I change this one to 4, see that it has changed to tax or test term 2, and all the analysis will be made here. So let me go back to task 1. It has changed back to assignment. So we are going to learn how to do this, but it's going to be step by step. Okay, let's go back to our worksheet, our Excel sheet. Now I'm using a new page. Let me call it analysis, so I'm going to rename it analysis. Analysis. Okay, I want the school or the name of the school to appear here. Remember, this side we are not supposed to type. We are supposed to type at where I have written type. So I'm going to create something here, the name of the school. So name of school, I refuse to allow my angel of blessings. Or you can simply name it school. In Jesus' name. Then at this side, I can merge it in Jesus' name, just to beautify it. God, arise in your anger and fight my war for me. So let me just merge the cell, then in Jesus' name, bold it. Okay, the name of the school, I can give it any name. Let's say Kenya Malapo. Revolutionize highs. I can even make it capital, it's fine.
Leave all the demons. Leave me now in Jesus' name.
Merge it.
Leave all the devils. Leave me now in Jesus' name.
So if I make this one,
God will bring honey out of the
I'm going to have
this month.
something like this.
God will open up all the good doors for me.
And this, let me make it capital. Screw, just screw.
Breakthrough designs against my life be shattered.
Good. This, I can give it a different. Let me make this one and this something different. Okay. Now I want to transfer this one to the analysis. It is the name of the school. So what do? We say equal if
upon every enemy of my advance.
This cell is equal to empty, print empty. Otherwise, print what you have in the cell. So you see that we have the Konya Molapo here. Assuming I delete Konya Molapo, it is also empty. So let me type it again. Konya Molapo high. It's fine. Konya Molapo High School. Okay. This one doesn't look nice. Let me format it a bit. Remove the grade. Yeah, much better. Okay. Then let's consider the grade. So I'm going to have a grade here. Grade. Which grade? It can be any grade, grade 10, grade 11, grade 12. Let me put grade 12 here.
I refuse to allow my angel of blessings to depart from me. In Jesus' name, I paralyze all aggression.
Okay.
Address to my star. In Jesus' name. In Jesus' name. God, arise in your anger.
Now I'm going to transfer it to this side. So how is it going to be? Equals if. We are still learning the if statement. If
from my past mistakes,
this is equal to empty, print empty. Otherwise, print what you have in the cell. So you see that the grade 12 has appeared here.
Go.
Okay. Subject. What subject do I want? Now the subject, I can also have the subject here. Okay, the subject, let me just put mathematics. It can be any subject. Okay, so I want to transfer it to this side. So equal to if
God will bring honey out of the rock.
This is equal to empty, print empty. Otherwise, print what you have in the cell. So you see that mathematics has appeared here. The name of the teacher.
Like our anti-breakthrough design.
Name of teacher. Okay, so name of teacher.
In Jesus' name.
How is it going to be? Okay, let me put my name there. Narrator. Okay,
In Jesus' name.
I'm going to merge this.
All the evil spirits.
Like this. You can give it any color you like to beautify it.
Every enemy of my advancement.
I only want to use 2 colors.
All the evil
Yeah.
powers sitting on my promotion.
So you can use your own color to make it nice. Let me merge this also.
Of my life, out of my family, out of my job, out of my
Just to make it nice. Okay, so I'm going to transfer the name of the teacher to the analysis. So the name of the teacher equals to if
go, go, go. All the evils.
that cell is equals to empty, print empty. Otherwise, print what you have in the cell. So I know by now you are getting familiar with the, what do you call, the if statement. Okay, now let's come to the name of the task. Name of the task. What I want is, if it is, this cell is 1, the name of the task should be assignment, because that is the first assignment. This is 1, 2, 3. First task, second task, third task. So if this side is 1, they should print the assignment, which is this one. If this side is 2, they should print test, because that is the second task. If this side is 3, they should print the investigation. So look at how I'm going to write the formula. So here I'm going to say if this side, so anytime you are starting Excel format, you start with equation. So equal to if this side is equals to 1, it should print
In Jesus' name.
this one. Let me just do the first one.
All the devils, leave me now. In Jesus' name.
You see that it is 1. Alright. The assignment, I did not spell it correctly. It's supposed to be
God will open up all the good doors for me this month.
supposed to be assignment.
True designs against my life.
Good. So we have the assignment there. If it is 1, if that side is 1, it should print assignment. Otherwise, it should print empty. So it means if it is 2, it's going to print empty. There is nothing here. If it is 3, it's going to print what? Empty. Good. We are going to end here. We shall continue on the next video. Okay. But before I go, let me do if it is 2. How am I going to do it? I'm going to start again. If
In Jesus' name. In Jesus' name.
this is equals to 2, it should print
Out of my job. Out of
this one. Otherwise, it should print everything that we have there. So you see that if it is 2, if it is 3, it's empty. But if it is 2, it has printed